Just got my box from NAEIR.org. So I got a cute little penguin. That's cute. And then I got some masking tape like this, a nice design. I got some paint. This is textured paint. What I can do with it is like what we did here. Outline things for kids with vision impairment so they can feel different materials. And we got pocket fans, a whole box of them. It'll just be a fun sensory thing for the kids. So I got all of this for $35, and this is the teacher's program where you can get supplies just to be used at school. I opened up this guy and put batteries in him, and this is what he does.
It's so cold. I'm gonna turn into a penguin pop.
And I'm going to either use a battery interrupter or use my soldering skills to adapt them so that the kids can use a button to activate it.